Hi, kindergarten. Today we're going to do Module 3, Lesson 24, and our objective is I will reason to identify and make a set that it has one less. So yesterday we practiced with one more. Today we're going to practice with one less. To warm up today, instead of end our lesson, we're going to do show me one more, show me one less. So I want you to show me 5 fingers the math way, and now show me one less. Good job. Show me 5 fingers the math way again, and show me one less. So we can say 5 and 1 less is 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Show me 3 fingers the math way. And now show me 1 less. How many fingers do you have now? 1, 2. So we can say 3 and 1 less is 2. Show me 6 fingers the math way. Oh, show me 1 less. How many fingers are you showing now? 5. So we can say 6 and 1 less is 5. Great job warming up your brains this morning. Our birds are back, and we need to have all 9 of them back with us. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now each bird today isn't getting a worm. We need 1 less worm than we have birds. So we have 9 birds. Show me 1 less. This number, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many worms are we going to need if we want 1 less? We need 8. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So do we have enough worms for every bird to have 1? No, but that was our goal. We wanted to show 1 less. That's our whole objective today. We're going to show 1 less in our second set. So yesterday, you drew 1 more. Today, we're going to take 1 away and draw 1 less. We're not going to have equal amounts. We're not going to have the same number of birds as we have worms. We're going to have 1 less. Go ahead, pause me, grab something to write with and something to write on, and come on back. Okay, so just like yesterday, we are going to roll our dice and we are going to draw some objects. What number is this? 8. I have 8 fingers. I want you to draw me 8 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 squares. Now, put up 8 fingers again for me. I'm sorry, I keep going up and down because I want you to be able to see my drawing, but then you need to see my fingers. So here we go. We have 8. What's 1 less? Show me 1 less on your finger. Good. So for my next set, how many am I going to draw? 8 and 1 less is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in your bottom set, how many squares are you going to draw? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from our picture, we can say 7 is 1 less than 8, But we can also say something else. Our bottom set, does it have more or fewer squares? Fewer squares. Our bottom set has fewer squares than our top set. Awesome. Let's go ahead and roll the counter again. What's this number? 6. Very good. Can you show me one less on your fingers, please? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6, one less than 6 is 5. I want you to pause me and I want you to draw those two sets. I want you to draw the original number and then a set with one less. Go ahead. Let's see what we got. I haven't drawn mine yet, so I need your help. So what was our original number? 6. So I'm going to draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I need one less. So what would that be? 6, and you told me to take away 1, would be 5. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do I have one less in my bottom set? I sure do. Great job. Okay, we're going to go do 2 more together, okay? What number is that? 8. Show me one less on your hand. Good job. So we could say 7 is 1 less than 8. So what number is going to be in our top set? That's the one with one more. What number is that? 8. Let's draw, what if we drew squares this time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. In 1 less than 8, what did we say that was? 7. Very good. Let me put up our fingers. 8 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I didn't line mine up. Look at it. I should probably check that, right? 1, 2. Did I do it right though? I did, because there's one more here and one less on the bottom. Okay, now your last one, just like yesterday, is the picture you're going to upload for your teacher to see that you can show one less. So I'm going to roll the dice, and then you can draw anything you want as long as it represents that number. So what is this number? This number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and draw that set and then come back. Now, for your bottom set, we want you to draw one less. So underneath your 4, draw one less. Awesome. Your teachers and I cannot wait to see these pictures. I want to talk about something though. When I have one less of something, are our numbers the same? No. There is a group that has more, and there's a group that has fewer. So looking at these squares, there you go, these squares, does my top group have more, or does my bottom group have more? My top group has more because my bottom group has one less, or one fewer. Awesome. I need those hands ready. We're going to count up to 10, and then we're going to count down, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each time we counted a number up, we were giving our fingers one more. We were adding a finger. Now we need to count down and count one less. Okay? So 10, 9. So 1 less than 10 is 9. 1 less than 9 is 8. 1 less than 8 is 7. 1 less than 7 is 6. 1 less than 6 is 5. 1 less than 5 is 4. 1 less than 4 is 3. 1 less than 3 is 2. 1 less than 2 is 1. And 1 less than 1 is 0. Great job. You guys did an awesome job modeling and showing one less. When we talk about one less or one more, do our groups ever have the same number? No. Okay? Our groups never have the same number when we're talking about more and less. Because when we compare things and something has more, we don't say it's the same as, and when we also say there's less in that group, we don't say it's the same as. So it does not ever have the same number when we're talking about more and less. Okay? So I want to leave you with a challenge. And challenges are always optional. But my challenge to you is if you can go around your house and put things into groups and make 2 groups out of the things you find and have one less each time. So for example, if I have some pennies at home, I could find, let's say 9 pennies. And then I could see if I had 9 pennies and I wanted a group that had one less, how many objects would I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because 1 less than 9 is 8. So then I would go look for 8 of something around my house and model that I knew what 1 less than 9 was. Okay? I want to see if you can do that with things around your house. So that's just an extra challenge if you want to do that. I know there are plenty of things I could do it with around my house. Even if you want to just rip up pieces of paper and have different paper chains, you could make a row of 3 strips of paper, and then if I was doing one less, I'd take one away and I'd have 2. So I could do 2 strips of paper in my next row. Anything you want, but that's totally optional. Your exit ticket is a set of questions, and in each set, you're going to have to show me one less. Which group has one less? Okay? Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.